All right, so I already did this once, and then I realized I didn't record it. So I've typed up here uh, the information that I want to. Let me go over this. So authorized stock. Authorized stock is the max number of shares we can issue. No matter what, we can never exceed that amount. If we do, we are breaking the law. Can't do it. Issued stock is any amount of stock that we have issued or that we've sold. It's outside the or it's been sold at some point by the company and cannot exceed the amount authorized. And then the outstanding stock is stock that the company has issued and has no control over. In other words, it's not in the company's hands. It's still in some owner's hands, whoever has purchased those stocks. So let's look at this example. Authorized stock is 2 billion. We have issued stock of 250 million shares of stock, sorry. And then we have outstanding shares of a million. So my questions can be anything related. What kinds of questions can I ask? Well, I can ask, how much can the company issue in the future? Well, what we're going to do is we're going to take the total authorized stock and subtract out what we've already issued, and that's going to give us 250 million shares that we can still issue at any given point. How much treasury stock does the company own? Well, if we've issued 1.25 million shares of stock, 1.25 billion, and we still have 1 billion outstanding, then that 250 million shares that we have that are no longer outstanding are ones we bought back. And so that's how much we can buy, that we have as treasury stock. And what I was telling you, or what I'm telling you, is that I didn't talk about this in the lecture because it wasn't part of it, but a company can retire stock as well. And so the question I could ask is how much stock could the company use to retire, offer stock options, or reissue without a initial public offering, which is an IPO, or reissue without an initial public offering. Okay, so that's a good question. How much stock could the company use to retire, offer stock options, or reissue without an initial public offering? Well, the amount is whatever is in the difference between your outstanding shares and your issued stock. So we're looking at 250,000 shares in that situation. So hopefully that helps. If you have any questions, give me a holla, text me, shoot me an email, whatever works for you, and we'll see you in other videos.